Hi, hello, namaste, adab, assalamu alaikum, sat shri akal. Welcome to Gustorator. I'm gonna give you some interesting updates about YouTube community around the world. Before going to the updates, I'm gonna say thank you for subscribing this channel and watching the videos, and those who are not subscribed yet, so please subscribe the channel and watch the full video, like the video, hit the bell icon and press all for the notifications on. So what we're gonna talk about today is award ceremony. That is YouTuber's most prestigious streaming award. So let's dive into the award ceremony. This is the award show for the next generation, set by Time. The Oscars of the Web, set by Vanity Fair. Cooler than the Oscars, set by USA Today. And those are the statements by Time, Vanity Fair and USA Today. So what's streaming awards? Well, I'm gonna tell you now. YouTube streaming awards are presented annually to recognize and honor excellence in online video, including directing, acting, producing and writing, etc. Comes under this. The formal ceremony at which the awards are presented generally takes place in Los Angeles, California. But due to COVID-19, these were presented in online and delivered to their respective home. The Streaming Awards honors excellence in online video and the creators behind it in over 45 awards categories. Celebrating its 10th anniversary in 2020, the annual event is the foremost recognition by which online creators and their work is appreciated. The stream is produced by Dick Clark Productions and QFilter and is exclusively broadcast by YouTube. Let's see who won those awards. YouTube had introduced a new award in Streamy 2020. It's called Creator Honors, that a past Streamy award winner can choose a creator who admires them. The Creator Honor Awards are the first Creator Honor Awards 2020 presented by Lily Singh to Elsa Mohembo from Kenya for the Best New Comedy Creator 2020. So in the same way, Patrick Stars honors Lavi Dunprince for Fashion and Beauty. MKBHD aka Marcus Brownlee honors Kos Kasat. Nikki Tutorials honors Bailey Sarian. Kylie Exum honors Caleb City. Ompa honors Brent Rivera. Lisa Cozy honors Taylor Cassady. Congrats for receiving awards for the first time. And the next categories are: Food Award goes to Tabitha Brown. The winner of the Streamy Fan Award for Creator Squad are Too Hype. Best Indie Series goes to Chris and Jack. Best Live Series goes to Versus. Best Animated Series goes to Jaden Animations. Best Comedy goes to Sarah Cooper. Best Commentary goes to ContraPoints. Best Cinematography goes to Peter McKinnon. Best Editing goes to Hayden Hiller-Smith for Logan Paul. First Person goes to Emma Chamberlain. Live Streamers goes to Nick Merckx. Scripted Series goes to A High Speed Markiplier. Most Concerning Videos goes to Unas Anas. Kids and Family goes to Ryan Wald. News goes to Hassan B. Sports goes to Ryan Gracia. Writing goes to Caleb City. Unscripted Series goes to Una Trixie Mattel and Katie Zamo. Podcast goes to Jay Shetty. Dance goes to P Funk. And Fashion and Style goes to Wisdom K. Health and Wellness goes to Clothing. Visual and Special Effects goes to Aaron's Animals. Lifestyle goes to Larry. Crossover goes to Will Smith. Documentary goes to The Secret Life of Lily Pons. Beauty goes to James Charles. Live Special goes to Mr. Beast for $250,000 Rock Paper Scissors Tournament. Congrats to all of them. Then International Awards, and it goes to Whindersson Nunes from Brazil. Congrats. Brand of the Year goes to Netflix. Streaming Award for Gaming goes to Dream. The award for Learning and Education goes to Mark Robert. Breakout Creator of the Year goes to Charlie D'Amelio. Award for the Technology 2020 goes to MKBHD. The Collaboration Award goes to David Dobrik for collaborating with Justin Bieber. Show of the Year goes for Instant Influencer by James Charles. And the most awaited Streaming Award for Creator of the Year goes to Mr. Beast. So many congratulations to everyone who won and also nominated for this year 2020. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned to Gustorator for more updates. Please like and share the video, hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to get the notifications on. Thank you.